Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Tips. I'm so happy you're here. Today's lesson is perfect if you already know basic English and want to sound more natural and confident. In this video, you'll learn 30 advanced English phrases that native speakers use in everyday conversations. For each phrase, I'll explain the meaning in simple English and give you 2 real-life example sentences so you can understand exactly how to use it. Don't worry if some phrases are new. Just listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to use them in your own conversations. The more you hear these expressions, the more natural your English will become. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, grab a notebook, relax, and let's get started. Phrase 1, I couldn't agree more. Meaning, I completely agree with you. Example 1, I couldn't agree more. Learning English every day is the best way to improve. Example 2, this movie is amazing. I couldn't agree more. Phrase 2, that's easier said than done. Meaning, it's easy to say something, but it's much harder to actually do it. Example 1, saving money sounds simple, but that's easier said than done. Example 2, people say, just be confident, but that's easier said than done. Phrase 3, it's not set in stone. Meaning, it can still change. Example 1, our travel plans are not set in stone yet. Example 2, the meeting time is not set in stone. Phrase 4, I'll keep that in mind. Meaning, I will remember your advice or suggestion. Example 1, thanks for the tip. I'll keep that in mind. Example 2, I'll keep that in mind when I buy a new laptop. Phrase 5, that's beside the point. Meaning, that's not the main issue. Example 1, whether he was late is beside the point. Example 2, that's beside the point. We need a solution. Phrase 6, don't jump to conclusions. Meaning, don't make a decision too quickly without enough facts. Example 1, don't jump to conclusions before hearing the whole story. Example 2, she looks upset, but don't jump to conclusions. Phrase 7, let's call it a day. Meaning, let's stop working for today. Example 1, we've done enough work. Let's call it a day. Example 2, it's getting late. Let's call it a day. Phrase 8, it's a matter of time. Meaning, it will happen sooner or later. Example 1, success is just a matter of time. Example 2, it's only a matter of time before he gets promoted. Phrase 9, that doesn't add up. Meaning, it doesn't make sense. Example 1, his explanation doesn't add up. Example 2, the numbers don't add up. Phrase 10, I'm on the same page. Meaning, I understand and agree. Example 1, we're on the same page about the plan. Example 2, let's make sure everyone is on the same page. Phrase 11, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Meaning, we'll deal with the problem when it happens. Example 1, don't worry about next month. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Example 2, if something goes wrong, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Phrase 12, that's a blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad but turns out to be good. Example 1, losing my job was a blessing in disguise. Example 2, the delay was a blessing in disguise. Phrase 13, I have a lot on my plate. Meaning, I'm very busy. Example 1, I can't go out. I have a lot on my plate. Example 2, she's got a lot on her plate this week. Phrase 14, I'll take it with a grain of salt. Meaning, I won't completely believe it. Example 1, I heard the rumor, but I'll take it with a grain of salt. Example 2, take online reviews with a grain of salt. Phrase 15, don't beat yourself up. Meaning, don't blame yourself too much. Example 1, everyone makes mistakes. Don't beat yourself up. Example 2, don't beat yourself up over one bad day. Phrase 16, you hit the nail on the head. Meaning, you are exactly right. Example 1, you hit the nail on the head with your answer. Example 2, she hit the nail on the head. Phrase 17, it's a long shot. Meaning, it's unlikely to happen. Example 1. Winning is a long shot. Example 2. Getting tickets is a long shot. Phrase 18. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Meaning, I hope everything goes well. Example 1. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for your interview. Example 2. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Phrase 19. That caught me off guard. Meaning, it surprised me. Example 1. Your question caught me off guard. Example 2. The news caught everyone off guard. Phrase 20. It's worth a try. Meaning, it's worth attempting. Example 1. This app is worth a try. Example 2. It's difficult, but it's worth a try. Phrase 21. I can see where you're coming from. Meaning, I understand your opinion. Example 1. I can see where you're coming from, but I disagree. Example 2. I see where you're coming from. Phrase 22. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Meaning, compare the advantages and disadvantages. Example 1. Let's weigh the pros and cons before deciding. Example 2. We should weigh the pros and cons carefully. Phrase 23. It slipped through the cracks. Meaning, it was forgotten or missed. Example 1. Your email slipped through the cracks. Example 2. The mistake slipped through the cracks. Phrase 24. I'm having second thoughts. Meaning, I'm starting to change my mind. Example 1. I'm having second thoughts about moving. Example 2. She's having second thoughts about the trip. Phrase 25. That's food for thought. Meaning, something worth thinking about. Example 1. Your idea is food for thought. Example 2. That article gave me food for thought. Phrase 26. Let's get the ball rolling. Meaning, let's start. Example 1. Let's get the ball rolling with today's lesson. Example 2. Who's going to get the ball rolling? Phrase 27. Don't take it personally. Meaning, don't feel offended. Example 1. It wasn't about you. Don't take it personally. Example 2. Please don't take it personally. Phrase 28. I'm all for it. Meaning, I completely support it. Example 1. I'm all for learning new skills. Example 2. I'm all for your idea. Phrase 29. Let's touch base later. Meaning, let's talk again later. Example 1. Let's touch base tomorrow. Example 2. We'll touch base after the meeting. Phrase 30. Time will tell. Meaning, we will know in the future. Example 1. Will it work? Time will tell. Example 2. Only time will tell. Fantastic job. You just learned 30 advanced English phrases that can make your English sound more fluent, natural, and confident. Remember, learning new phrases isn't enough. You need to practice them. Try choosing 3 or 4 phrases today and use them in your own sentences. The more you practice, the easier they will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Miss English Tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every small step brings you closer to speaking English with confidence. See you in the next lesson. Bye, and have a wonderful day.